Okay, we're standing in the hallway. That used to be the door to get into the garage. And we've closed it up. We'll be painting over it. And here's the new door. It used to be a closet. Now it's the entrance to the playroom. And this is the playroom. There's the laundry room door over there. There's where the garage entrance used to be. Well, there it is. There's the playroom. There's the entrance again to the house. And here's the door. This door goes to the outside, out to the garage. First time to open the garage. There's the garage. So it's just a half garage now, and then the playroom.